Okay, let's do some screening real quick. Just gonna go through all these names with you guys. Today is June 19th, 2024. Let's get into this. Maybe, no, I'm not gonna explain any concepts, but I will do a quick screen session with you guys. Okay, let's do it. So currently right now, the market is pretty extended yet oversold, which is a scenario that not many people have dealt with before, including me. And how am I handling that? I'm literally just following the trend. So, I mean, if a stock is going to, if a stock is truly strong, don't know what the hell I'm saying. Basically, all I'm saying is that, the only way to really trade markets is just to go with the trend. That's always just going to be the most efficient way to do it. And so a lot of people are very bearish because of the divergence in the S&P, and then also with stocks at all-time highs, because the QQQ is at all-time highs. But if you look at the breadth is extremely bad, absolutely horrible. And obviously that's not good action that you want to see. It's not. It's just abnormal action, really. To be honest with you guys, it's not really. I mean, it's not a big deal to me. I'm still making a crap ton of money. I made 100%. This is a really good setup, guys. You gotta study this. Big move up, go sideways. Bunch of tight candles right here. Top near all-time highs. This thing has room to go. Very nice setup. Although I already have. Yeah, I'm just looking for actionable setups. Okay. Actionable setups. Yeah, so basically, guys, what was I saying? No idea. This broke out finally. This is actionable. This is actionable, but it's gonna ask. Yeah, a lot of people are upset because of the divergence. This is probably one of the most hated bull markets of all time. I know Jason Shapiro was saying that. Completely true. Everyone hates it because everyone's in the wrong names. That's why they're not making money. I'm up over 100% in a month, and I'm up 107% year to date, and I didn't make money until May. I had a bad January, I had a bad February, I had a decent March, gave it all back in April. This is a great setup. Had a decent, had a bad April, and then May and June have just been absolutely killing the markets. And yeah, but a lot of other people are just, bro, it's such a hated bull market, man. So hated. When in reality, I mean, if you're in the right names, there's a lot of money to be made right now. You just got to be in the right names. So, pretty important to think about. You got your head in the clouds. If I could write you a song to make you fun. This is a great setup. I love this thing. I love this thing. Oh, it's such a gorgeous setup. Gorgeous setup. Another gorgeous one, guys. This is pretty good too. These downtrending ones are fucking. I don't even know why these are on my fucking watch list, bro. It's because they're above the 20 EMA. I changed up my scan. I have two different scans now. So I have my above the 50 EMA scan, and then I also have my above the 20 EMA. I suppose I don't need the above the. Well, no, I need the 21 because I don't get. I miss out on IPOs and shit if I don't have the fucking 20 EMA one. So it's like, whatever, man. None of these look actionable to me because they're all at lows. Guys, you want stocks trading near highs. You always want stocks trading near highs. 52-week highs or all-time highs. You don't want stocks trading at fucking lows because not everyone's at a profit and you're just going to get fucked. This is a fucking amazing stock setup. And I was watching this and I couldn't buy it because I'm already fully invested. And look at this breakout and it's going to go to all-time highs. This thing's going to go to like 250. I would be willing to bet. And yeah, man. But if you're buying stocks near lows, you're never going to get those big moves. When a stock makes its biggest advance, it always makes it at all-time highs. Always. Always, always, always. Because think about it. If a stock was at $1 and its all-time high is $10, sure, it needs to advance 1,000%. But now it has there's no sellers. Everyone's at a profit. And now if it advances to $40, $50, now it can make a 4,050. You know what I'm saying? So 400, 500% gain, you know? Or it could advance to $200, $300. All the biggest moves occur when stocks at all-time highs, obviously. But it's funny because nobody wants to trade all-time highs though. So it's really interesting how that works. Honestly, it's another good setup. Not good enough for me to trade. This is like I'm only screening for like stocks I'm actionable tomorrow because I did my weekend work. I don't want to like fucking think too much about it. This is a nice setup. The only problem is look at the fucking trend. It's downtrending. So yeah, I mean this is a great setup, fucking amazing setup, but it's downtrending. You know, I don't want that. I don't want downtrending stocks. I don't want downtrending stocks. GDS. This isn't a bad setup. It's not the best. Yeah, mid. Very mid. Very mid. Yeah, I mean, again, you want stocks trading at highs, right? You know, the market's at all-time highs. Why is my stock not at all-time highs? You know? It's a good question to ask yourself. If the market's bouncing up and your stock's not following the market, is there something wrong with your stock? Because your stock should be outperforming the market. Like these IPOs, I'll never get these if I don't have my other skin now. But like, yeah, guys. If the market's at all-time highs and your stock is like making new lows, that's probably a very bad stock, and it's just not gonna work. And that's just the reality. Like, I mean, just think about why would you ever trade a stock that is not falling with the market? So like, the market's going up and your stock is going down. Why would that ever be good? You know, that's not a name you want to be in. You want to be in the names that inverse the market. So if the market's going up, you want your stock going way up. If the market's going down, you want your stock going holding highs or making new highs. If the market's going down and your stock is making new highs, you're in a pretty good name probably. That stock is probably going to accelerate rapidly. You know, rapidly, guys. Very, very rapidly. You know, those are the names you want to be in. This is a great weekly setup. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not the fucking cleanest. It's not near all-time highs. But, where's 52-week highs at? Yeah, this thing's a piece of shit. I mean, it's coming out of a big range. It is strong. It could explode out of this and then go all the way. Yeah, I mean, this isn't a bad name. It's not a bad name, it's just not a fucking great name either. It's a mid setup. I'm gonna put it on my shit though, just for shits and giggles. Maybe I want to trade this tomorrow. Who knows? It's a high ADR. If it wasn't a high ADR, I wouldn't even fucking apply an eye to it, but high ADR, there's probably something good going on there. This needs more sideways, but this is nice. Just trades no volume. Do I not have my volume scan on? 5 mil. I need to fucking turn it up, I guess. 5 mil. I guess I need to put it up to like maybe 10 mil or some shit. I'm still getting a little bit of illiquid stocks. Like stocks like this, bro, this is such a good move, man. Oh my gosh. Could it run to all-time highs? It absolutely fucking could. It absolutely fucking could. This stock in the next, when this market pulls back and the stock and the stock goes sideways, this is the next stock to be in. I'm telling you guys. This is the next one to be in. I actually do like the setup. Man. But it is extended. That's not debatable. It's an extended stock. Could it make another big leg up? 100% could. 12 ADR. I'm adding this to my watch list. This looks really good. You know? It does look really good. It's a great setup. Great setup. Probably a high probability of stop out, but a great setup nonetheless. And at the end of the day, that's what you want. Never taking L's, all I do is win. Feel like DJ Khaled. Yeah. This thing recovered nicely. I mean, yeah, this could be a really good stock. Like, why am I getting these pieces of shits like on my scan? Now this, I'm okay with getting this. It's a little choppy, but it's an IPO. Looks like a thin can. I mean, it's pretty fucking choppy and illiquid, but fuck, man, I don't know. Should I buy it? Fuck no. Get that piece of shit out of here. So there's IPOs coming out. That's cool. Yeah, I wasn't getting IPOs before on my fucking screens. Oh, because if you look at it, yeah, it has a 20, but it doesn't, you know what I'm saying? Like, my other scan, because you have to be above the 50, but if the fucking stock doesn't have a 50, I'll never fucking find the IPO. So, yeah. This is a great setup. It's just not near highs. It's kind of fucking slow. We good off that. You know, it's okay, bro. Guys, wait for a fat pitch. You don't have to trade every stock in the market. You don't. You don't have to trade all the time either. Wait your turn. You know what I'm saying? And if you just wait and you're patient, and a good time occurs, stocks are setting up, the market is providing you an opportunity, and you just fucking send it, and you go full margin, and you're in leading stocks and leading sectors with tight risk management, you're gonna fucking kill it. I mean, I promise you guys, you're gonna kill it. Promise. You are going to kill it. I'm serious too. Like, I'm telling you guys, man. If you can get in leading stocks and leading sectors, and you can just wait for those fat pitches, they're so obvious. They're so obvious. They're obviously showing strength. If you can catch those, man, and you can size up, maybe you do 2-3% risk on one of them, and it hits, your account's gonna fucking fly. Promise you. I promise you. It just takes patience. Nobody's patient, man. This game is not a game you don't trade every day. Your whole goal is to get, this is a great setup too. I like this stock. But your whole goal as a trader is to get fully leveraged in with no risk and then ride out your move and just compound, compound. And guess what? When the market's bad and you can't, there's nothing more to do, right? When the market turns bad, okay, and great suck, I missed out on this one. When the market's bad and you just don't do anything, guys. That's it. You just don't do anything. So if you don't do anything and you keep all your money and you don't give any money back and you wait for those fat pitches to come and then you fucking swing super hard, you're going to crush it. You're going to crush it. I promise you, you are going to crush it. Promise. That's all you need to do. Wait for the fat pitches and swing hard as possible, and I promise you, you will fucking crush it. This is such a good stock, man. How would I buy this, though? I could buy it this high if I wanted to. 6 ADR. Typically maintains a 4 ADR, 4 to 5 ADR. It's at all-time highs. What's all-time highs at? All-time highs was that day. That was all-time highs. Like 7% from all-time highs. Yeah, that's a thin candle. Yeah, I'll put this on my focus list. Maybe I'll trade that. We'll see. But yeah, guys, if you can just be patient and wait for the fat pitches, I promise you, you're gonna have success. Promise you. It'll just happen, man. It will happen. Just have to be fucking patient. That's it. That's literally it. Never taking L's, all I do is win. Yeah, guys, just patience, man. Patience. It's in the name. Patience. If you are patient, you will get paid. Nothing about it. Nothing complicated about it. You are gonna get paid if you are patient. If you are patient, you are going to get paid. Promise you. You just gotta wait it out, man. Wait out the hard times. Milk the good times. It's the best advice I ever got in stock trading. Best advice I ever got. I was talking to Stuggets, man. I was talking to him in this Twitch stream. And he was like, if you can just get aggressive around the bottom and you just do nothing around the top, you're gonna kill it. You're literally gonna kill it. Literally, you're gonna kill it. That's all there is to it. It's not that hard. Everyone just overcomplicates it, man. Everyone overcomplicates it. Aggressive in the good times. Do nothing in the bad times. That is the formula to success. That's it. This is a great setup. I'm actually looking. I'm gonna probably buy this tomorrow. I can't even lie. I mean, this broke out of this pivot right here, and then it's probably gonna break out of the range right here. It's a great stock, man. IPO around all-time highs. This is what you want, guys. Not complicated. That's a fat pitch. In my eyes, that's a fat fucking pitch. It looks really good. Okay, and it's at around all-time highs. It's around all-time highs. Clean setup, That's all you want, man. About to break out. And here's the thing with breakouts. Everyone wants to get on a breakout. You have to be in before the breakout. You have to be in a little bit fucking before. If you want to make big returns and you want to, just outperform everybody, you got to get in before everybody. That's how it's going to have to happen. If you're late, if you're not in right here, if you're in right here, your average is worse, your stop loss is worse. In a good times, you got to be in a little bit earlier, man. You got to anticipate a little bit. You need an edge, right? My edge is I'm in before anybody, but guess what that means? For me, that means that I'm going to be, I'm going to have less of a chance to get stopped out. Okay, that's first of all. Not only that, but I get a better average, so I'm going to be more profit. Your buying is going to put my stock up. Like, it just makes sense. You want to be early. You don't want to be fucking late, man. You want to be early, and you want to, you just want to be in before everybody else gets in. That's the key. That's the key, man. Never taking L's. All I do is win. It's such a good song. Yeah. It's not complicated. It's not. It is not. This is another great stock setup. It's kind of a slower mover, to be honest with you guys. Too slow for me. Unfortunate. I'm glad I'm seeing these IPOs now, though. That's cool. USD semiconductor. Semis are so strong, man. So strong. I can't breathe. Too slow, just too slow. No point even looking. I need fast. I need speed. This is another good one, man. I'm seeing some good IPOs, man. No cap. This is another good one, but there's better. There's really better. There is better. WGMI. Why is Snap not on here? I just realized that. The Snap's chart bad. I don't know. Whoa, nice move on this thing. Add that to need more sideways. I don't know why this wasn't on my scan before. These just look like fucking shorts. Why am I just seeing a bunch of short setups? Huh. Okay. I don't know, man. Whatever. This is a nice setup. Never taking L's, all I do is win. Bro, I don't know why my fucking neck, dude, it just hurts, bro. Like, I always have to crack it, bro. I don't know what it is really about, bro. What's wrong with me, man? Somebody's a doctor, comment below. Tell me what's wrong with me, man. Never taking L's, all I do is win. Am I annoying? Probably. Cornball. Kidding. What the hell? What the sigma? Okay, yeah, I'm cooked. Am I cooked, chat? Am I cooked? Short. Basically short. Okay. Yeah, all these setups are fucking shit. This is actually pretty good. But it already broke out. Shit. That's a fucking short. Yeah, that's a pretty good setup. But it already went. And it's fucking slow. OSCR, this is valid? Low key kind of valid? The trend is up. That needs a better setup, in my opinion. The setup's kind of fucking mid. It's a short. Mid. This is pretty good. Sub setup reversal. 3 ADR. We good off that. That's all I needed to see. We good off that. We good. Guys, whenever you're fully margined, at that point, the ADR matters a lot. Like, when you're fully invested, you need faster stocks because your money, you need your money working for you. And if it's in some slow ass name, man, you're just wasting fucking money. Real talk. You're wasting money, and you're wasting oh, this is consumer. Oops. IP, get this off. AMC, I guess it's still valid. Hood. Yeah, we good off that. We good off that. SMR, get that shit off my shit. ASPN, I guess it's okay. VITL, still okay. CDE, still okay. HUT, Tech, Iron, Crypto. I'm gonna put this in Tech because it's kind of outperforming crypto at this point. NZT, Tech, and then CZO. This is my number one priority because this looks really good. Okay, well here's my watch list. Yeah, nothing crazy, guys. All right. I hope you guys all have a good rest of your week. And yeah,